Hey, I've got this Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. The customer forgot the screen password and they wanted me to do the factory reset, and this is going to be the hard reset. It will erase all the password of the screen, but then you will need a Google account and a password to get into it. Let's start it. So what you're going to do is you have to make sure that this is actually charged, at least have a 30-40% battery. And then what you're gonna do, you will press the power and the volume down. Press the power and volume down at the same time. Okay, it will bring you to this fast boot mode, and here you're gonna you have to look for the recovery mode, and you will select by up and down by going the volume up and down. You do this under the recovery mode. If you see that, then you press the power button. And then it will take you to this screen. Once you see this, all you're gonna do is you have to press the power and one time volume up. So once you have that Android thing, you're gonna press the volume, the power, and then the volume up one time. And then after that, you will see it's a bunch of options. Reboot system. Under that, then again, select by clicking on the volume up and down. You're gonna look for wipe data factory reset. This option, you're gonna look for that. Once you see it, you just hit the power one time, and it will ask you that wipe all user data. Then again you have to, it says cancel or factory data reset. Then again you have to volume down to select factory data reset, and you hit that, and it says, if you see here, it says formatting data wipe complete, reboot system now. You can just click the power and then it will reboot the system, and it should actually take you to the main screen. But sometimes it would actually ask for the Google account that you have on there before, and if you don't know it, then there's another step. It's called FRP removal. But if you didn't have any Google account, or if you didn't have the security on the Google account, that should actually fixes the phone, and that should allow you to get into the phone. That's how you actually do it. Thanks for watching. As you can see here, you can just click here, English, United States, skip. You can connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's see, we're going to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, well, the password is incorrect, so let's see. Hold on, let me put the correct password. Okay, it says obtaining and setting up the phone. But you get the point. That's how you set it up. And yep, set up eSIM. Well, don't have to set it up then for myself, but you get the point. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.